Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace a Pollen cabin filter on a Mercedes Viano and Mercedes Vito as well. They're exactly the same chassis. This is W639 chassis. It's going to be super easy job. So I'm just going to show you where the location of the Pollen filter is. This here is normally attached with a couple of clips. In my case the clips are broken, so I have put screws. Now you're going to have another two screws here which I have previously loosened up. I'm going to place them here. So you remove the two screws, then move the metal bracket out of the way, and this is what you want to pull out. And you can see the condition of this awful filter and the amount of leaves and dirt. So we're gonna hoover this out. We're gonna vacuum clean this mess, and then we're gonna replace this dirty Pollen filter with a brand new one. I'm gonna be using Blueprint, and the part number is ADU 172520. So this is a carbon particle filter, and it's gonna provide some fresh air in this cabin. I'm going to show you how to install the filter. There's a airflow direction, and this is the arrow. You can see the arrow, so it shows you the direction of the airflow. So we're going to put this down and the arrow will face up. We're going to remove the old filter, grab these flaps, remove this. You can see the arrow is facing up on this one. This is the little arrow here. So we're just going to copy the same. Quite a heavy filter, to be honest. So it's full of carbon. These are the particles that will be cleaning the air. And then let's insert it in the same way we took it out. When you're installing the filter, make sure you fold these flaps out and just gently push it in. That's the filter in. Just push it in properly. Push it in place. And then install the bracket and the plastic cap as well. So that's the job done. This is how easy it is to replace a Pollen filter. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and you find it helpful. If you do like it, hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I'll see you in the next one.